Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade jelly. First, gather your ingredients like fresh fruit, sugar, and pectin, along with canning jars and lids. It's crucial to sterilize your jars and lids properly before you start. Then, prepare your chosen fruit by washing it well and crushing it to extract the juice. This initial preparation sets the stage for delicious homemade jelly, ensuring a safe and successful canning process right from the beginning. Next, combine your prepared fruit juice with the pectin and sugar in a large, heavy-bottomed pot. Bring this mixture to a vigorous, rolling boil, stirring constantly to prevent scorching. This high heat is essential for activating the pectin. To check if your jelly will set, use a cold spoon test or a candy thermometer, looking for a temperature around 220 degrees Fahrenheit. Achieving the right set is key to perfect jelly. Once your jelly is ready, carefully ladle the hot mixture into your sterilized jars, making sure to leave exactly 1/4 inch of headspace at the top. Wipe the jar rims clean to ensure a good seal, then apply the lids and screw bands until fingertip tight. Finally, process the filled jars in a boiling water bath for 10 minutes. This crucial step creates a vacuum seal, preserving your jelly safely for long-term storage. After processing, carefully remove the jars from the water bath and place them on a towel to cool undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours. You'll hear the satisfying pop as the lids seal. Once cooled, check each jar for proper seal by pressing the center of the lid. It should not flex. Store your perfectly sealed homemade jelly in a cool, dark place, and it will maintain its delicious flavor for up to 1 year.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.